Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Up. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-step verification on Telegram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now, on your screen at the bottom right corner, you're gonna find Settings option. Tap on it. Then you'll see options like My Profile, Saved Messages, Recent Calls, Devices, Chat Folders, etc. You're gonna have to go ahead and select Privacy and Security, from where the third option you'll find is two-step verification. Tap on it. Then select Set Additional Password from the bottom of your screen. Now go ahead and create a password and re-enter your password. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on Create Password. You can add a hint or skip setting hint. Once you do that, go ahead and type in recovery email. Go ahead, type in the email, then tap on Continue. Once you do that, it's gonna send you a verification code. Go ahead, open the mail and take the verification code, copy it, paste it, and you're successfully enabled two-step verification on Telegram. And guys, that's it. That's how you enable two-step verification on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.